Om Namah Shivaya. Meditation for positive energy. Make sure after this powerful meditation you're getting loads of positive energy. Preferably wear loose cotton clothes. Exercise lightly. Switch off sharp lights. Create a comfortable room temperature. Burn some frankincense sticks or aroma. These aromas help us to disperse the negative energies. Now, sit comfortably on a chair, a mat, or you can even lie down. Try losing your body. Yes, try losing your body. As you're opening the knots, keep the eyes half open. Do not let yourself sleep. Allow yourself to drift in the relaxation. Now start breathing deeply. Keep breathing deeply, deeply, till there is no more space in the body for this air. Along with inhaling, make your palms folded tightly. A tight fist will be helpful. The more you make it tight, the more tension will arise. Along with your fist, make all your body muscles tight. Bring them into tension. Inhale and squeeze all your body muscles and your fists. While exhaling, release the tension. Inhale and exhale, squeezing and relaxing. Do this 3 to 5 times. Take your time. And as you release the breath, with your mouth open, relax all your muscles. Now, believe yourself to be free from negative energy. Feel yourself as a fresh flower. Now you're able to see a positive, divine, white energy beam on the top of your head, right above your crown. Smile at the center of your heart. Feel the smile sensation. Feel a tinkling in your heart area. If this happens, you're going nice. Give a welcome to this divine light to fill you with the positive energy. Now this light is traveling down and spreading the entire brain region. The back of the forehead, where every tension lies. Now, leaving everything clean and sparkling, the forehead, The eyes, which carry so much pain and you cannot show it. The temples, which are sometime aching. The cheeks are also in tension. The nostrils, lips, the jaws. Now, all these are fresh, free of pain, and polished. Gratitude. Gratitude to this divine white light which made this area so fresh. You're feeling so nice to start the positive energy journey. Your neck, shoulders, and hands are always strained and tired with the burdens of life. Now these burdens are getting down. This divine light is making it relaxed and burden free. Feel it and acknowledge in your heart. From chest to lungs, the heart area, spleen, kidneys, liver, intestines, bladder, and lower organs, all in some ways get ill with time. They get slow and our body gets unhealthy. Now these organs are blessed. They are healthy now. They are sparkling thanks to this divine white light. Hips, thighs, legs, knees, calves are now pain-free. The light traveled through the full legs, leaving them healthy, fit to run for success. Yes, for success. Your feet are the vehicles of your success. They need fresh energy. Release all the stress and pain. Imagine the bright light reaching your feet, moving to all the nerves. These nerves are associated with the whole body. Imagine this light moving out from your feet. Yes, that's the end of your negative energy. While moving out, this light becomes dirty and malign. It has taken all the negative energy and dirty energy from your body. Thanks to Lord. Now with the count of 1 to 5, I'll be uplifting you to the real word. And whatever I speak, you may follow. 1, 2, 3. You're coming up. 4, 5. You're fit. You're full of positive energy. You're healthy now. And your subconscious has stored this. Open your eyes gently. Make small movements in the body. Rub your hands. Put the heat on your face. Gently get up. Feel the happiness and positive energy. So be it. So be it. Om Namah Shivaya.
Subscribe now for interesting and knowledgeable videos by Dr. Puneet Chawla